Well, hi everybody. Okay, so initially I started this, you guys, facing me, so you guys could see me and I could chat you for a minute, but then it would not let me flip around unless I flipped the whole dang camera. And now that I say that, I remember we had to do that last time. But that is just so stupid. So we're just starting out in this position. So here we are. So I put everybody in over here, and then I made it go alphabetical order so that I could make sure I didn't duplicate anybody, which I did not. And now what we're going to do is shuffle the heck out of it so we're not all in alphabetical order. And I've got it turned up super loud so we can hear the spins and the claps and such. Okay, so whoever wins, make sure you get a hold of me on Facebook so I get your address to ship to you. If I do not hear from a winner by the 1st, then I'll come on and spin again, because all of these names will just save on the wheel until I clear them out. So, are we ready? Whoops, let me get my... Let's go that... Well, come on. It doesn't want to be in a great spot. Okay, either way, the winner will pop up in the middle. So, here we go. Good luck, everybody. It's so many, it makes you so dizzy. Somebody. There we go. Annette Lundy, you are the winner of the box of awesomeness. Okay, so please send me a message on my page. I will also post this on my page, and hopefully we will be able to hunt Annette down. If I do not find Annette, then we'll respin on the 2nd. So if I don't hear from her by the 1st, then we'll respin on the 2nd. So yay, congrats Annette. You have an awesome box of goodies coming out. I just need your address, and I'll get that in the mail to you. Have a great night, everybody.